Animal general knowledge quiz, here we go. What animal is this? The red panda. What animal is this? The leopard. Number 3. What animal is this? The axolotl. Moving on to the medium tiers. What animal is this? A tapir. What animal is this? Okapi. Third one. Gila monster. And finally, what about this one? Wolverine. Alright, 3 more to go. Moving on to the hard. We have 2 of them here. Which one is this? The maned wolf. Now what about this one? The fossa. Alright, you made it this far. Let's see if you can go 10 out of 10. What animal is this? Think about it. The binturong, also known as the bearcat. Comment your score down below and let your friends know if you went 10 out of 10.